welcome back to TrainSpotters. We're at Princess Street, mile 41.06 on the ballast sub. All safe train equipment, even a high-pitched Siemens Type 3. Yep, it's a beautiful sunny day for rail fanning. Well, a beautiful sunny evening or afternoon, whatever you call it. And we're gonna catch an Ontario Northland that's gonna be coming from that way, from North Bay to Macmillan Yard in Toronto. We're gonna catch a CN train. It's gonna be so cool. Yeah, we're gonna be doing some rail fanning today. What are you doing to my shot?
Rail fanning.
What? You're rail fanning too?
Yeah, I want to see some CN action today.
Really, Tyler M?
Yeah.
You've got the Tyler M hat, as you can see.
Yep.
That's Tyler M and via conductor, and on the side, go train man.
Yep.
And I just noticed something. Remember the low-pitch Safe Tran Type 3 E-Bell? Well, guess what? That actually got replaced with the high-pitch Safe Tran Type 3 E-Bell. But
Yeah.
it's Siemens, though. And here's CN A451. Fit 8326. And 2996. It stops when the gates go up. However, I've seen those before in most Canadian crossings like that. Okay, we're seeing CN A450. Finally, it's coming. Oh, and here we go. Just picked up the sweet spot. Beautiful K5HL in the distance. And we've got an Ontario Northland engine leading third. Yeah, I see it up ahead.